Hi, good morning. Once again, this is your F. Santos and welcome to my channel, Munding Kaalaman. And the lecture title that I would like to impart to you is the importance of exercise and proper diet for security guards. Exercise and proper diet play a crucial role in maintaining the health and well-being of security guards. In this lecture, we will explore the numerous benefits of exercise and a balanced diet for security guards, along with explanations and examples to highlight their significance. And what are the benefits of exercise for security guards? Number one, physical fitness. Regular exercise helps security guards improve their physical fitness, strength, and endurance. Example: running, weightlifting, and cardio exercises can enhance the overall physical capabilities of security guards, enabling them to perform their duties effectively. Number two, stress management. Exercise is a great stress reliever and can help security guards manage the high-pressure situation they may encounter. Example: engaging in activities like yoga, meditation, or swimming can reduce stress levels and promote mental well-being. Number three, injury prevention. Strengthening exercises and flexibility training can reduce the risk of injuries for security guards during physical tasks. Example, stretching exercises can improve flexibility and prevent muscle strains or sprains while on duty. And the benefits of proper diet for security guards. Number one, energy levels. A balanced diet provides security guards with the necessary nutrients and energy to stay alert and focused during long shifts. Example, consuming a mix of carbohydrates, proteins, and healthy fats can sustain energy levels throughout the day. Number two, immune system support. A healthy diet rich in vitamins and minerals strengthens the immune system, reducing the likelihood of falling ill. Example, eating fruits, vegetables, and whole grains can boost immunity and help security guards stay healthy. Number three, weight management. Maintaining a proper diet helps security guards manage their weight and prevent health issues associated with obesity. Katulad ko, nananaba. Example, avoiding sugar snacks and opting for nutritious meals can contribute to weight control and overall health. And our conclusion: exercise and proper diet are essential components of a security guard's lifestyle, offering a wide range of benefits such as physical fitness, stress management, injury prevention, energy levels, immune system support, and weight management. By incorporating regular exercise routines and health eating habits, security guards can enhance their performance, well-being, and overall quality of life. Once again, this is F. Santos. Tara na, jogging na po tayo. Ha ha!